Yo guys and girls, what's up? Welcome back with your boy Happy Chef TV with a new YouTube video. Today we're gonna make some nice, homemade, easy, simple, classical burgers. So let's do this, baby! So let's first run through our ingredients for the delicious burger. We got some nice breadcrumbs, we got a red onion, some fresh garlic, a yellow onion, some tomatoes, a nice egg to fry, a little bit of iceberg lettuce, some bacon, some minced meat, a little bit of ketchup, some Happy Chef herbs and homemade mayo. You can see that on my previously video on my YouTube channel, of course. We got some pepper, some salt and some nice cheddar. And the herbs, you can always take some other herbs if you like, some cayenne pepper, a little bit of masala, whatever you like, but I love to use these herbs because I give them away on my Twitch channel in the giveaways. So don't forget to check that out, guys and girls. Let's do this! Let's first start with some prepping and some mise en place for our burger. We're gonna make some onion rings from the red onion. The yellow onion we're gonna chop fine to put through our burger. We got some beautiful garlic here for our burger. So let's start with some preparation, guys and girls. So we finished our preppings with the cutting and now we're gonna mix our meat and put the onions and the garlic in the meat, the spices, pepper, the salt and a little egg and the breadcrumbs, of course. Okay, we're gonna add the beef. Then we add in the onion and the garlic. One egg. The herbs. Some breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna mix it, wash our hands and add some pepper and salt. So make sure the mixture is nice mixed. Okay, so some fresh pepper, grind it, a little pinch of salt in there. And then we're gonna mix it again and make little patties from it. You can of course put them on a scale if you like, but I just do it on feeling to make a nice burger patty. Make a nice ball from it and then squeeze it a little bit into a burger. Here you get a nice fresh bun. You can see it in one of my YouTube videos we already did. Homemade buns. We're gonna use that for the burger. Super nice. We're gonna fry one burger now. The rest is going back to the fridge for the visits later on. So let's start up with that fire. Move the burger a little bit. You can always flip it an extra time, so I'm already gonna flip it one more time. And then we're gonna put the egg in the pan. The egg needs a little bit of pepper and salt, of course, so we're gonna get some fresh pepper on there and a little sprinkle of salt. And then we're gonna put a top or a lid on the egg to cook it a little bit further. We're gonna flip the burger one more time and we're gonna add a slice of cheddar on there. And set it on low. And then we're gonna let the burger chill, melt the cheese, and we can put it all together on the bun. After cutting the bun, we're gonna put it a little moment in the pan to give it a little side grill on there as well. So let's put the buns off the pan, add a little side grill on there. We're gonna add some mayonnaise, some ketchup, some onion, the bacon, everything we're gonna put together now. And we're gonna finish the burger. It's always nice to put a little skewer in there to keep it all on the same position. You can put it on a plate. Of course, you can always add some fries, add some salad, whatever you like. But today, it's all going about the burger, baby. So here it is. A nice, fresh, homemade, classical burger with bacon, egg, cheddar, tomato, ketchup, and mayonnaise. Let's go! Guys and girls, thank you so much again for watching this video. I had a lot of fun making this video, so if you like it too, don't forget to put that like button on or my subscribe button on this channel. You can always leave a comment, of course, below. And what you really gotta do is watch my Twitch channel, live at Twitch 5 or 6 days a week with a lot of fun, good vibes, good food with the foodie fam. So don't forget to check me out. Have a fantastic rest of your day and peace!